Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lynn Kelly. I'm participating in a really fun and challenging tablescape. The title of it is Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday. It's an open invitation hosted by Tammy of me, myself, and DIYing it, and co-hosted by Ms. Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Geraldine from Diva Decorating, and Cynthia from Cynthia, shesobless. The rules for this tablescape are: we can only use paper or plastic, and that was very challenging. Not only could we only use paper and plastic, but we were supposed to make it look glamorous also. I don't know if I accomplished that. You'll have to let me know. I think my tablescape is more whimsical with a touch of glam. But let's see what you guys think. Let's go check it out. And here's my tablescape. I used a purple plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. I already had that oval container made out of cardboard. I took the piece of ribbon off. I stuck the rose flowers in, attached to or glued onto plastic straws. The tissue paper is gorgeous. I got it at the Dollar Tree. And I got the blue napkins there and a set of 4 plastic bowls. The cardstock, I already had a pad of beautiful scrapbooking paper. So I cut the strip with the butterfly off and made the napkin ring out of it. I glued the paper rose and leaves to the champagne flute. Used a piece of scrapbooking paper for the placemat. Purple paper plates. These blue plastic plates are from Ross. $1.49 reduced. I used a wine bottle gift bag and put tissue paper in it, and then at the top some of the confetti, and then I glued some paper roses onto it and then set it on a box, a cardboard box from the Dollar Tree, and then a paper bag book, then a round piece of scrapbook paper from that same pad. I put confetti in the middle of the flower to tie it in, and then that all sits on a gold plastic charger from the Dollar Tree. And there's the rose glued onto the other glass. The little gold gift bags came 3 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. And so I put a champagne flute in each bag, but I had to take the base off, otherwise it was too tall. And I filled it with confetti. I'll show you a picture of it. Just to give the plastic straws, which I used as stems for the flowers, just to give them some stability to prop them up. This was really challenging to get them to stay put. But I like the outcome of it. think they look pretty nice. Let me know what you think. Okay, now I'm going to show you putting it together. I started off with a 4-foot long folding table, and then I already explained about the plastic tablecloth and tissue paper. I love that pattern. It's so pretty. And then the scrapbooking paper, the dishes and silverware. I got the plastic silverware at the Dollar Tree. Beautiful, beautiful scrapbooking paper. Just love it. Finally got to use it for something. I've had it for years. And so I just cut a strip and glued it together to make a napkin ring. And I think the plastic champagne flutes worked good to prop up the paper flowers attached to the straws. I will add the link for the how to make the paper roses at the end of the video. Getting them to stay glued to the straw was a challenge because my glue gun is so old, and I think it might be so hot the glue would melt the straws. So I just used tacky glue, and it took longer to dry, but it ended up working in the end. I used 2 of these paper cups to put in this cardboard oval container, again for stability, and then I used the confetti, the decorative paper, shredded paper, to fill it, and stuck the straws in. This is a folder that I have had for years, and on each side it had a butterfly, so I cut one out and glued it to the wine bottle gift bag and glued some paper roses, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my tablescape. It was a lot of fun, even though it was a lot of work. So I thank you for watching, and I hope you will give me your comments on what was your favorite part of my tablescape. Let's see. Oh, thank you to our host, Tammy, from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and all the co-hosts, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Geraldine from Diva Decorating, and Cynthia, shesobless. Be sure you check out their channels and check out the playlist with all the links for the participants so you can go see what they came up with for their paper and plastic tablescapes. Should be very interesting. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you at the next video. Bye now. It was a lot of fun, even though